Now, Hyundai does offer roadside assistance. However, there are instances and occurrences in life where calling the roadside assistance number on the window over there may not be feasible for you. So in the event that you need something more immediate, Hyundai does offer a first aid kit that comes with various things you may need to help yourself out. Also, because they do not have a spare, they offer a tire mobility kit. It's a lot easier to use. First, you'll grab this, and then if you do forget the way to do it, it does offer you some instructions on here. You plug this into here, then you get your cord. This will plug into this side, and then this will screw onto the tire. And then everything is powered. If you go up to the center console, there's a 12-volt standard car charger outlet. You plug it into there, and then you just move to whatever tire you need to air up.